When designing your garden, you should consider using native plant varieties when possible. There's a large number of invasive species of plants that are non-native or alien to the ecosystem whose introduction to the area has caused economic and environmental harm. An invasive species grows and reproduces rapidly, establishing itself over large areas, and they're very persistent. They take over the ecosystem and in doing so decrease the biodiversity of our own native plants by threatening their survival. Texas, by the way, is divided into several what are called ecoregions. We fall into several of them: South Texas Plains, Blackland Prairies, and Post-Oak Savanna. In each one of these groups, there are plants called the dirty dozen, for which they are most common and most destructive. Here are the ones that impact the San Antonio area: bastard cabbage, giant reed, Johnson grass, Chinese tallow tree, King Ranch bluestem, field bindweed, Bermuda grass, Chinaberry trees, red-tip photinas, heavenly bamboo, pincushions, and Chinese privet. If you'd like to know more, go to this website, texasinvasives.org. I'm Chief Meteorologist Albert Flores for News 4 San Antonio.
So what makes this next plant one of the dirty dozen?
I think that Nandina should be one of the dirty dozen invasive plants. The red berries contain cyanide and are poisonous to songbirds, dogs, and cats. It replaces the native plant species that produce food and cover for songbirds. Unfortunately, it is sold in many local nurseries. Great native alternatives are Barbados cherry, Yopon holly, evergreen sumac, and Texas sage. Say no to Nandina, the songbird killer, and check out texasinvasives.org.
Cut.
Too much wind, wasn't it?